Namaskar. You have already learned about various Jatis and some of their usage in footwork. We will practice a basic Lari today using those Jatis. Now, what is Lari? Before explaining the Lari, I would like to mention that if you are new in my channel, then please refer to my previous classes on Jati. It's going to make things more easier for you to understand. Lari is a long pattern of rhythmic phrases woven in a succession. Now, why is it called Lari? Lari comes from Lahari, which is derived from Lahar or waves. Just like waves hitting the seashore one after another in a sequence, every segment of Lari, which are called Vistaars, lay down one by one, maintaining the laya and tal by completing the avartans. So, in easy words, we can say that every wave is a Vistaar and the sea containing the Vistaars is called Lari. Before doing the Lari in a practical manner, first you have to do the Padhant of the Lari or every Vistaars of the Lari. I would like to mention one thing that every Vistaars of Lari completes 16 beats. Every Vistaars of Lari do not go from sum to sum. It does not complete sum to sum. It completes 16 bits. If you are doing the tintal, here we are doing the tintal, 16 bits. If it starts from here, after completing 16 bits, it completes here, every Vistaars, not to the sum. But after doing the Vistaars, there is a Lari which should complete the avartans, which means it completes the 16 bits and then come to the sum. The Tehai first start from the sum, go forward 16 bits, come to the sum and completes the avartan. So here we go.
The first Vistaar of the Lari is taka 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 takite. We are doing it in Madhya Laya. Tha din din tha tha din din tha na tin tin na tet din din tha tha din din tha tha din din tha na tin tin na tet din din tha. So the first one is taka 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 takite dekete 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 taka 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 for 3 times takite dekete for once and we are repeating it for 4 times. Taka 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 takite dekete taka 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 takite dekete taka 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 takite dekete taka 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 takite dekete. The next one, number 2. Taka 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 takite dekete taka 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 takite dekete. Taka for 9 times and then takite dekete for 1. Taka 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 takite dekete taka 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 takite dekete. We are repeating the taka 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 takite dekete for 2 times. Now Vistaar number 3. Taka diga takite dekete taka diga takite dekete taka diga takite dekete taka diga takite dekete. There is a small gap before starting the vani, using the vani. Taka taka takite dekete taka taka takite dekete taka taka takite dekete taka taka takite dekete. I'm doing it again. Taka taka takite dekete yak taka taka takite dekete yak taka taka takite dekete yak taka taka takite dekete.
Now you don't have to say the word gap. I'm using it for your convenience. Vistaar number 4. Takite dekete for 7 times. And the last one is dha dha di dha. Takite dekete, takite dekete, takite dekete, Dhadati Dha. Takite dekite dekite takite dekite takite dekite takite dekite takite dekite takite dekite Dhadati Dha. Now we will sum up the Lari with a Tehai.
Taka dige taka dige taka dige taka dige taka takite dekite taka takite dekite taka takite dekite dha. Taka dige taka dige taka dige taka dige taka takite dekite taka takite dekite taka takite dekite dha. Taka dige taka dige taka dige taka dige taka takite dekite taka takite dekite taka takite dekite dha. So after doing every pagla, you have to take a small break. Taka diga taka diga taka diga taka diga taka takite dekite taka takite dekite taka takite dekite dha. Breathe. Taka diga taka diga taka diga taka diga taka takite dekite taka takite dekite taka takite dekite dha. Breathe. Taka diga taka diga taka diga taka diga taka takite dekite taka takite dekite taka takite dekite dha. Taka diga taka diga taka diga taka diga taka takite dekite taka takite dekite taka takite dekite dha. Taka diga taka diga taka diga taka diga taka takite dekite taka takite dekite taka takite dekite dha. Taka diga taka diga taka diga taka diga taka takite dekite taka takite dekite taka takite dekite dha.
Now what do you have to do? What is your task? Just practice the Lari. Practice the Padhant of the Lari. Make it your own. Enjoy the rhythms of the Laya between the Lari. In next class, we will do the Lari in a practical manner. And before leaving, I would like to say that if you are new in my class, new in my channel, then please subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Also, for detailed online and offline class, you can mail me. You can find my mail address in the description box below. Namaskar.